Conde friends, it's me, Tori. With our ever-expanding line of products here at Conde, we are now able to offer the most popular sublimatable drinkware items on the market. And I'm going to show you what they are today. So we have two of our new stainless steel stemless wine glasses. One in white that's got a gloss finish, the other in silver that's more metallic, and they even come with a plastic lid so that you can take all your favorite drinks on the go. We even have a new way to sublimate your stainless steel wine glass, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a second. So let's get started. So here's a closer look at our stemless stainless steel wine glasses. Like I mentioned before, they come in two colors. We have the white and the silver. I'm going to work with the white today. So let's put the silver one to the side. Now, I am going to remove the plastic lid because once we put it in the oven, we don't want it melting and ruining our product. So I'm going to put that to the side too. And then I've already cut out my graphic. I used a template that was already prepared on Conde.com. And I'm going to wrap my graphic around my stainless steel wine glass and make sure that the crease meets completely so it doesn't leave a line. And I'm just going to use my premium Conde gold heat tape to secure that graphic. I'm also going to add a couple pieces to the top of it and fold it over the rim just so the image is nice and secure. I want to make sure it's really good. I might have to adjust it just a little bit, but I want to make sure it's nice and even on all four sides. And I love using this premium Conde gold heat tape because it's so thin, it's easy to work with, and it's very heat conductive because it's so thin, and it doesn't leave any marks. So now that our image is nice and secure, I'm going to show you one more trick before we hit the oven. Let me show you our Conde sub wrap. It's really cool. It's basically shrink wrap, and your cup is going to look like this once you get it all set up and when you go to the oven. But your image is going to be sealed to the stainless steel stemless wine glass, and we're going to use our heat gun to do that. Let me show you just how easy it is. All you're going to do is take your Conde sub wrap, and you're going to place it over your cup, slipping the cup inside, making sure that there's a little bit of excess on both sides. And then you're going to take your heat gun and you're going to turn it on and watch it do its magic. And once your heat gun heats up a little bit, it'll start to seal the image to your glass, and you're going to get a great sublimated product. Go ahead and get the top, covering the edge of the stainless steel wine glass completely with the sub wrap. I think that looks pretty good, so let's place our stainless steel stemless wine glass in our oven. I thought that process was a lot of fun. I really, really like using that heat gun, but like any new tool, it might take you a little while to experiment and just learn the process, but essentially, it's very easy. Now, I'm gonna put my mugs in the oven. Like all of our products, you wanna visit Conde.com so that you know all of the instructions for the product. All right, my timer just went off, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stainless steel stemless wine glasses out of the oven. And I wanna take some scissors and get that shrink wrap off good. So let's see if they will poke. And then I can go ahead and tear it off. And once I get all the shrink wrap off, I'm just gonna remove my image. It's a really trendy product, and I'm excited to use it. If you want to find out more about this technique, then call your Conde account agent. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com, and for more of my videos, be sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.